The relationship between sugar and neurodegenerative diseases, avoiding Alzheimer and Parkinson. In recent years, there has been a lot of discussion about the connection between diet and mental health. One of the culprits linked to various diseases, including neurodegenerative ones, is sugar. Recent studies suggest that excessive sugar consumption may be associated with the development of conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, which affect millions of people worldwide. But how exactly does sugar influence these conditions, and how can we protect ourselves? Let's break this down in a simple and accessible way. The role of sugar in the body. To begin with, it's important to understand what happens in our bodies when we consume sugar. Sugar is a quick source of energy. When we ingest it, it's broken down into glucose, which is used by cells to produce energy. The problem arises when sugar consumption is excessive. The body releases insulin, a hormone that helps transport glucose into the cells. Over time, high sugar intake can lead to insulin resistance, a condition where cells don't respond properly to insulin, resulting in elevated blood glucose levels. This process can cause a series of problems, including obesity, type 2 diabetes, and, according to recent research, may also be linked to the development of neurodegenerative diseases. Sugar and Alzheimer's, a worrisome link. Alzheimer's is a neurodegenerative disease characterized by the progressive loss of memory and other cognitive functions. While the exact cause of Alzheimer's is still not fully understood, scientific evidence suggests that insulin resistance in the brain may play a crucial role in the development of the disease. For this reason, Alzheimer's has even been dubbed type 3 diabetes. When there is insulin resistance in the brain cells struggle to get glucose, which is essential for their function. This lack of energy can lead to the death of brain cells and the formation of beta-amyloid plaques, a key feature of Alzheimer's. Moreover, high blood sugar levels are associated with increased oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which contribute to cognitive decline. Sugar and Parkinson's, the possible connection. Parkinson's is another neurodegenerative disease, primarily characterized by tremors, muscle rigidity, and movement difficulties. Although the link between sugar and Parkinson's isn't as clear as it is with Alzheimer's, some studies suggest that high sugar consumption may increase the risk of developing the disease. Research indicates that high blood sugar levels can contribute to chronic inflammation and oxidative stress, which are factors that damage nerve cells, including those responsible for producing dopamine, an essential neurotransmitter that is severely reduced in Parkinson's patients. Additionally, a diet high in sugar may increase the risk of type 2 diabetes, which has been associated with a higher risk of developing Parkinson's. Now that we understand the relationship between sugar and neurodegenerative diseases, it's important to know how to reduce sugar intake to protect the brain. Here are some practical tips. Number 1, read food labels. Reading food labels is one of the most effective ways to control sugar intake. Many processed foods contain added sugars, even those that seem healthy, like yogurt, cereals, and granola bars. On the label, sugar can appear under different names, such as sucrose, corn syrup, fructose, glucose, maltose, and dextrose. Additionally, ingredients like honey, agave syrup, and concentrated fruit juice are also forms of sugar. Pay attention to the amount of sugar listed in the nutritional information. Remember that, in general, 4 grams of sugar equals 1 teaspoon. A good practice is to compare different brands and choose those with lower sugar content. Another tip is to avoid products where sugar is listed among the first ingredients, as this indicates that it is present in large quantities. Reading and correctly interpreting labels is an essential step to reduce sugar consumption and protect brain health. Number 2, avoid sugary drinks. Sugary drinks are one of the main sources of sugar in the modern diet and pose a significant health risk. Sodas, packaged juices, sweetened teas, and energy drinks contain high amounts of sugar, which quickly elevate blood glucose levels. This sugar overload can lead to insulin resistance and contribute to the development of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Additionally, sugary drinks offer empty calories, meaning they lack nutritional value, which can lead to weight gain and obesity, both risk factors for type 2 diabetes and other health conditions. Replacing these drinks with healthier options is crucial. Water, unsweetened teas, and natural juices without added sugar are alternatives that hydrate and nourish the body without the negative effects of sugar. If you like flavor in your drinks, try adding slices of fruits like lemon or orange to your water, or opt for sparkling water for a more refreshing option. Reducing the intake of sugary drinks is one of the simplest and most effective ways to protect brain health and prevent serious long-term diseases. Number 3. Choose whole foods. Whole foods are essential for a healthy diet and play a crucial role in brain protection. By choosing whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, you're selecting foods rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients help regulate blood sugar levels, preventing glucose spikes that can lead to insulin resistance, a risk factor for neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Unlike refined foods, which have their fibers and nutrients removed, whole foods offer a slower and steadier release of energy, helping to maintain satiety and control appetite, thereby reducing sugar and calorie intake. Moreover, the fibers in whole foods promote gut health, which is directly linked to brain health through the gut-brain axis. Incorporating whole foods into your diet doesn't mean eliminating processed foods entirely, but rather prioritizing more natural and nutritious options. For example, replace white bread with whole grain bread, white rice with brown rice, and include more fresh vegetables in your meals. Making these choices can significantly impact the prevention of neurodegenerative diseases and promote a healthier life. Number 4. Cook at home. Cooking at home is a powerful tool for controlling sugar intake and improving overall health. When you prepare your own meals, you have full control over the ingredients, allowing you to avoid hidden sugars often found in processed foods and ready-made meals. This means you can choose fresh, natural, and whole ingredients, ensuring that your diet is rich in nutrients and low in harmful additives. Additionally, cooking at home gives you the chance to experiment with healthier alternatives to sugar. You can sweeten desserts with fruits like bananas or dates, which offer natural sweetness along with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Another advantage is the ability to reduce the use of store-bought condiments, such as sauces and dressings, which often contain added sugar. Cooking also creates a more conscious connection with what you consume. Planning and preparing meals can become a pleasurable habit that not only improves your diet but also strengthens your relationship with food. This results in a more balanced and healthy diet that protects against excessive sugar consumption and its associated risks, such as neurodegenerative diseases. Cooking at home is, therefore, an important step in maintaining brain health and preventing diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Number 5. Stay active. Staying active is essential for brain health and the prevention of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Regular physical exercise not only improves blood circulation, ensuring that the brain receives more oxygen and nutrients, but also helps regulate blood sugar levels by increasing insulin sensitivity. This is crucial for avoiding insulin resistance, a risk factor for cognitive decline. Physical activity also stimulates the release of brain chemicals like endorphins and neurotrophic factors, which promote the health of nerve cells and the formation of new neural connections. Additionally, exercise combats oxidative stress and inflammation, two processes that are linked to brain aging and the development of neurodegenerative diseases. Another important benefit is the positive impact on mood and mental well-being. Exercises like walking, running, cycling, or yoga can reduce cortisol levels, the stress hormone, and increase the production of serotonin and dopamine, neurotransmitters that regulate mood and are often reduced in conditions like Parkinson's. Incorporating physical activity into your routine, even in small doses, can have a significant protective effect against cognitive decline and help keep brain function sharp as we age. Final considerations. While sugar provides immediate pleasure, it can have serious long-term health consequences. The link between excessive sugar consumption and neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, is an area of research that is gaining more and more attention. Reducing sugar intake and adopting a healthy lifestyle are essential measures to protect the brain and ensure a longer and healthier life. Maintaining a balanced diet, rich in nutrients and low in sugars, not only protects against neurodegenerative diseases but also improves overall quality of life. By understanding this relationship, we can take steps to prevent sugar from becoming a villain in our lives, protecting our mental health and preventing the development of conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Thanks for watching until the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel and share with your friends.